Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the second week of July. If you're new, welcome. This is going to be your exclusive love reading and career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you've got the Eight of Moons and the Empress card. I do see that you're worried and fearful about your future or a particular outcome. Maybe it's a new deal that you signed or a new business that you started or a job that you gave interview and you're waiting for an answer. Some sort of fear is there. Now let me tell you that you are very much in your Empress energy, whether you are a male or a female. Empress energy means that you have very high standards. Any job which is not giving you the position or money that you want, probably you are going to reject it. And the more you reject it, the more you feel like you're running out of opportunities or you made the wrong decision, right? Well, if you think that money is really that important to you and if there's a lack, I suggest please go ahead and take that kind of job that you're waiting for. But if you can afford to delay, then maybe you will get the opportunity which suits your standards as well, which means eventually you will get a job, where you will get that kind of position or money that you're looking for. I also see that in your career, people can be intimidated by you, or they respect you, sure, but they are very intimidated by you. Like they seem like if they will hire you, probably you will dominate them in some way, and that is also one of the reasons why you're not getting the kind of job or growth in your business that you're looking for. Let's see what's happening in your love life, personal life. You've got the Three of Spades and the Hierophant. I do see that you are laying the foundation of something. So if you're single or in a relationship, you are laying the foundation of your future. That means you want that to turn into a marriage, an engagement, or a roka. You could actually be having one in the second week or planning to have one. You're having these conversations where you're talking to the person on how are we going to go about it, how much money are we going to spend it, whether you see a future with me or not. You will be facing such situations where you are, you know, openly talking about marriage and traditional ceremonies and the contributions and everything. So this is a time of laying the foundation. The talks are on, that's for sure, if you're not actually getting into any traditional ceremonies that ways. If you're already married, I do see that this is still a time to, make that kind of effort and lay the foundation no matter how many years it has been. I also see that maybe together you both are buying a house or a car, investing in some sort of land, or doing some traditional ceremony together, visiting your ancestral place as well. If you have kids, then maybe you are laying a foundation for their marriage as well. That's also a possibility. Overall, I do see that marriage is definitely there. Traditional ceremonies are happening. So celebration uh, are definitely happening. So it is a very good card for success, which means that this will bring a lot of peace and harmony in your life, maybe if that was lacking. And yes, future looks bright from here. And yes, the career can be a little bit challenging because you are taking a lot of stress when it comes to your opportunities, probably because you have high standards and people are intimidated by you. But this shows me that you're very good at your work. You know your job very well. You have those skills and experience. So hold on a little if you can. Otherwise, take on whatever opportunity which is coming your way, because you don't want to, stay at home without a job or salary for a very long time. For growth also, your competitors can be intimidated by you, but definitely people have a lot of respect to you. People know that you will not be bargaining a lot, so they will have to succumb to your price only, or they can choose to go elsewhere. So this is going to be an important week for you. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book any personal reading with me, I take a host of services. You can check out the description box and make your bookings. I have various services available with me. You can email me to make a booking, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram also, because there you will be getting updates about my channel and also know the prices. My pricing starts at 170 rupees only for one question. And there are, like I said, other services also, and I'll keep on posting the prices so that you know, and also show some love to my channel. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you very, very soon. Bye bye.